Hi, I'm Andrew Stevenson, and in today's video we're going to take our perfectly functional line journal and we're going to spruce it up a bit, give it a bit of glam, and we're going to turn it into a targeted, more appealing, more professional looking, sexy line journal using just 3 simple steps. So stay tuned for that. Please do take a minute to subscribe to the channel and like the video. It really does help. Until next time, have fun designing, and I really hope you find these tips helpful. Line journal we created in the previous Affinity Publisher video tutorial. There are a couple of things I want to do to this to improve it a little bit. It's a fine line journal, but we can make it a bit better. So first thing to do is I'm going to clear the master from page 1, and I'm going to put in a title page. So it's just like this journal belongs to found, please email. So that, makes it a little bit better. And then I'm going to add some page numbers, and I don't want it to start on there, although it is page 1. I want the first page to be the first numbered page to be technically page 2. And to do that in Affinity, you need to start a new section. So I've started a new section from page 2 to the end of the book, and in that section it's going to restart the page numbering at 1. It's just personal taste. So I need to be in the master page. I need to draw a text box. I've already done one there. And then I will so draw a text box, go to text, insert, fields, page number, and I will just shift drag that over there. It's probably best on this side actually. Again, keep the numbers in the margins, and there you go, a numbered booklet. I will just change maybe the opacity down to 30 because it was a little bit it was a little bit much there. There you go, that's better. And I'll turn the text flow off. Such that's another little professional touch to the journal. Now we are going to add the embellishments that will, really make it pop, make you, or make it appeal to the niche you want. Obviously, because we're working in black ink, the images need to be along the grayscale. You need to know what niche you're going to go for, and it can be anything. It could be, for horse lovers, people who love tangerines, gardening, anything. And then the idea is to pack this title page with images like that. Obviously do your cover page, but that's not going to be covered in this video. Make an appropriate cover page, and you can even add things to the actual lined pages themselves that make it look good, that make it specific to the niche, but won't impact on the like usability of the lined paper. So I'm going to insert a picture. So these are some cat PNG, it's actually a big bundle. You get vectors and PNGs. Affinity Publisher can deal with vectors. Microsoft Publisher can't. You've got to put PNGs or JPEGs. So we'll use vectors. No, actually, only just got PNG so we can see the file. So on this front cover, I think this guy will look good. I was peeking over the maybe if we'll box that off. And we'll just align it, make sure it's centered to itself. And there you go, that looks good already. And then again, here we'll insert a picture. Now I got these images from Creative Fabrica. You've really got to know the licenses involved in images. You know, there are loads of pitfalls. Some let you use them, you know, willy-nilly. Some say you've got to give accreditation. Some say you've got to at least alter the image in some way. But this had a full POD and commercial license, so I'm okay with this. So because I'm putting this on the master page, it is going to go on all the other pages. So this is going to be good for if you're making a notebook for Grumpy Cat lovers. Obviously, Grumpy Cat, I imagine, is trademarked. So do not use that. But you know that you can miserable cat lovers and stuff like that. So obviously that's too dark. It interferes with the the lines on the page. You can't write on it. You know, and that's fine. That might be what you're looking for, but not me. So I'm going to change the opacity down to 30. The cat's still visible. You can see the lines. In fact, knock it down to 20. Maybe even 10. Yeah, see that's not bad at all. You tell it's a grumpy cat. You can still see the lines above it, and because it's so pale, it doesn't interfere with any of the writing. So you could leave it like that. And to be honest, I was going to, but I think I might try and add another couple of. Oh no, this little guy. He's not grumpy though. He's a little bit angry. Again, be mindful of your margins, but if I have this guy there, looks like he's peering over the lines. Again, change the opacity down to 10. And there you go. In a couple of minutes, you've turned a functional but kind of plain line journal into something better looking. It still works as a journal. It's a bit more professional with page numbers on. It's got a couple of images that enhance the book. It doesn't take anything away from the book. All you need now is to make an appropriate cover and to get your keywords right. Again, they're videos for a later date. I just want to show you how easy it was in the first video to make a line journal, and in the second video to step that line journal up and to make it something a bit more professional and a bit better than some of them that are out there at the minute. You can also add as many images as you want to this, and if you save this as, say, Grumpy Cat Journal without affecting the original source file, which is saved, you see this is 6x9. I can save this as 6x9 Grumpy Cat. and I'll still have the original line journal underneath. I can, you can knock another couple of images in there, you've got a whole new book. It's not a lot of effort to make the end product stand out and be a million times better. So that's it for this video. I am going to do a video using Microsoft Publisher and showing you how to put embellishments on that. Again, it is slightly different, but it is really easy, and you can get identical results to this. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you found this useful, and if you want to keep abreast of all the other videos that I'll be doing in the future. Thanks for watching.